Indian financial institutions have often found it tough to reach out to the country's rural population. But today, companies like Fino Paytech are enabling and facilitating this. Incepted in 2006 with just 17 employees, Fino Paytech is a multi-crore company today with over 3,000 employees, catering to over 50 million customers across India.
With over 30,000 points spread across 430 districts, I think we are the largest non-banking channel available in the country today, as also maybe the world. Great sense of satisfaction that we've been able to provide the basic four set of services across all these points, which is savings, remittances, credit and insurance. Along with this set of challenges, basic piece, leverage technology to monitor the CSP and see what the last mile is doing. And that's going to be the crux of delivery for the entire channel.
Fino Paytech is the brainchild of Manish Khera, who spent 13 years at a private bank, learning various roles and learning the banking ropes. The vision behind starting the company was to provide banking services to the vast unbanked population of our huge and diverse country.
Very broadly, we offer the financial services, which is a bouquet of savings, loans, remittance and insurance to the micro customer.
Tell us a little bit about the banks and financial institutions that you serve.
On the banking side, I would say Union Bank of India, ICICI Bank, Axis, Punjab National Bank, Central Bank, OBC. These are our big clients. On the insurance companies, ICICI Lombard, HDFC Ergo. These are some of the big clients that we work with. And yes, of course, we consider governments also as our clients. So government of Andhra Pradesh, government of Chhattisgarh, MP, all these are big government clients with whom we work.
Going forward, what's your vision for growth?
We expect the growth to continue. We will see growth on the number of customers. We are seeing growth already on the number of products that are going out to the same customer. So the richness of the model is going up. And now we are also exploring international geographies where we can replicate the success that we have had in India.
What's the most motivating and satisfying aspect about being an entrepreneur?
Satisfaction, you could say, that I see now that we have reached out to over 50 million customers and we are growing. And when you go and engage those customers and you see what transformation this small regulatory change and the execution that we have done over the years has brought on to those lives, that is quite satisfying and amazing experience to wake up and go to sleep every day with.
Fino Paytech enables end-to-end customer sourcing and servicing and meets the financial needs of unserved and underserved customers through various channels. The company operates one of the world's largest branchless banking channels through a network of 25,000 business correspondents equipped with handheld biometric devices with GPRS connectivity. These correspondents transact with clients who access banking services through biometric smart cards.
Earlier I had no bank account. I started to save money at home. But when I got to know that a bank has opened in my neighborhood, I opened a saving account there. This has helped me a lot as I can now deposit and withdraw money as and when required.
Fino Paytech's solutions are based on the four key ideals of robust technology, well-defined operations, diverse channels and customized products. And making all this possible is its dedicated workforce that constantly enhances its skills to become future leaders.
We hire employees from remote business locations. We train them for the skill development and provide them structured career path for various roles. At the same time, we have built in enough incentives for employees from the corporate office to opt for field locations.
Fino Paytech aims to increase its customer base to 100 million by 2015, launch multiple products and expand globally as well. All this with a vision for financial inclusion of rural India and better lifestyles for the underprivileged.
Fino Paytech, we built the largest financial infrastructure in the country, which goes across the length and breadth of the country. This infrastructure has technology risk. In my mind, you should worry about that seriously, The second is that this infrastructure can be sustainable only if customers are transacting on it on a continuous basis. Out of the 3 business lines, my advice would be to focus on financial inclusion the most. My third piece of advice would be to keep the system as open as possible to let others use this infrastructure so that there is continued utility of the infrastructure and there is value for all.